Hello Techie Home viewers. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon to get notified with the latest tech updates daily. Now let's dive into today's tech updates. Qualcomm on Tuesday unveiled the Snapdragon 888 processor as its next generation flagship SoC for premium smartphones. This was launched at the virtual keynote held during the first day of the Snapdragon Tech Summit 2020. This is the successor of 865G processor and comes with the third generation Snapdragon's 865G modem. The new Snapdragon SoC also includes the 6th generation Qualcomm AI engine, and Qualcomm demonstrated its 5G performance of the SoC during virtual keynote. Apple is about to launch a portless charging iPhone in the upcoming year 2021. One of the iPhone 13 variants will have absolutely zero ports to charge, and the other three variants will have the usual Lightning port and not the USB-C type. There is no information about which variant is going to come with zero ports. Here are few leaks of Samsung Galaxy S21 from Ice Universe. They look very beautiful from back with the glossy design, and the rear camera setup has 3 cameras. There would be 3 variants from this series: Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag may be Samsung's tile-like tracker. It will help locate things easily. The tile-like tracker can be attached alongside your keys, remotes or any other device that could be easily misplaced. These small tags can be placed anywhere or attached to anything to know all time where that particular item is. They can also make a sound or a beep to help the user locate the device if it is somewhere closer. Samsung Galaxy A32 renders have surfed online, showing a 6.5-inch display and a quad camera setup. The Samsung Galaxy A32 appears to have a plastic body with a flat back and a flat display. The 3 camera sensors are aligned vertically, and a 4th camera sensor is located next to them and below the flash. The fingerprint scanner is integrated into the power button, and the phone has a 3.5mm headphone jack as well as a USB Type-C port. The renders show relatively thick bezels around the display of the Galaxy A32. Alongside with the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro, we can expect another variant this year named OnePlus 9e, which lies in between both the variants. Looks like OnePlus is following Samsung, where earlier Galaxy S10 series also had a variant called Galaxy S10e along with the 2 variants S10 and S10 Plus. This OnePlus 9e may be the affordable version of that series, but there are no official news about this yet. Vivo V20 Pro is all set to launch tomorrow. The flagship model comes with dual selfie camera as well as 33-watt fast charging support. The Vivo V20 Pro also includes triple rear camera setup and 5G connectivity. The smartphone is listed with a price tag of 29,990 for the single 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. It comes with 6.44-inch display and is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor. The front camera is expected to have dual camera setup with 44 megapixel and 8 megapixel camera. Lenovo Legion 5 laptop has launched in India as the latest gaming device from the company. It is powered by AMD Ryzen 5 processor with 6 ultra-responsive cores and can be configured with up to NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. The laptop has a 120Hz display refresh rate and claims to offer a battery life of up to 8 hours when battery-saving hybrid mode is on. The new Lenovo Legion 5 laptop is priced in India starting at Rs 75,990. Ice Universe tweeted a bug in Galaxy Z Fold 2. When we use the Z Fold 2 for more period of time, then the quality of wallpaper suddenly drops. What do you think about the reason would be? Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section below. So, these are the tech updates for today, and let's meet tomorrow with the new updates. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and would love to get such updates daily, stay tuned with this channel by clicking the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon to get notified with the daily tech updates.